Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 ranked traders that you can copy over on the Axi copy trading platform. I'll share my phone screen at the side of me, and we'll be looking at a few different things, such as how does a trader stack up on the risk profile, unrealized profit and loss, how many copiers do they have, and their max drawdown to really get a whole picture of if they're a good trader or not. Then at the end, I'll let you know which one I think is the very best for you to copy, although I do have to specify this video is not to be taken as financial advice, and of course you need to do your own research before investing any of your money anywhere. Before I share my phone screen with you though, I'd just like to quickly mention the Profit Boss Forex Trading Facebook group, which you can join at the link down in the description, as well as the completely free Axi Startup guide that I have, which again the link will be down in the description for your convenience. But having said that, getting on my phone then, and you might see me look down a bit because I am sharing my screen with you there, as you can see. But first we'll go ahead and click on number 5. Now the risk profile on Pentagon Forex is actually in the lower section, as you can see there. They have an unrealized profit at the moment of plus $79.15, which is great to see. Whenever you see one in the plus, it just means that their trades that they currently have open are in a profit, so they're not holding on to losing trades. They have 1,830 copiers, so that's another good sign. Obviously, if there's a lot of people copying them, it's very likely that they're a good trader. I mean, I don't think there's any bad traders in the top 5, but I wanted to dive deep into which ones are more of a risk and which ones are so better suited for people that aren't wanting to take on so much risk. Now, if we look at the max drawdown, that's 13.92%. That's just the most amount of money they've ever gone down to in a loss, so nearly 14% there. That's okay in my opinion. It's not like over 20%, but it's not 10% or lower. So it's all right. It's not amazing, but it's okay. Then we can see there in the return history, realized return over 5,000%. The realized profit is $19,000. And then we can actually, I like the return history graph there. Something that's a new addition to Axi is actually showing you the copier's profit. In the current year, the amount of profit that Pentagon Forex has made for its copiers is over $800,000, with 182,000 nearly of profit made last month. And then the copiers AUM, so assets under management, total amount of money that copiers have invested with the Pentagon Forex is $5.4 million. Now we can see there 12 months total trades, 8,500, maximum per month 950, and then they must have had a month where they didn't do any trades, so because it says 0 minimum there. But you can see wins there at 93.45%, and then losses very, very small at just 6.5%. This is why I like copy trading, because in order to become that profitable as a trader, it takes years and years of experience. But with copy trading, you can obviously just copy someone that's already put all that effort into learning how to do this. So to have over 90% win ratio is incredible. And then you can see in the markets traded, we can click on all the different ones there. They trade, it looks like, yeah, just Forex, as the name suggests there, Pentagon Forex. Oh, US oil market as well, actually, this green one, but that's just 6.5% of the total markets they trade. But if we go ahead and back out and then go to number 4 here, the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail is one that I mentioned on a previous video and one that I'd copied before. And really, the Holy Grail has not been doing that great recently. So they've gone into the medium risk profile. I'm not sure what they were previously from memory, but medium, it's obviously still, it's not in high, but it's worse than lower. We want to keep a lower risk profile. The max drawdown there of over 30%, not very good. Unrealized profit of over $4,000. So he's actually keeping losing trades open, and you can see there in the return history, it's currently down there in the red. 740 copiers. I'm sure they used to have well over 1,000 copiers, maybe nearly 2,000 or something like that. Then if we go to copiers profit, so in the current year, they've still made nearly $400,000 for their copiers and 42,000 last month, with 1.8 million in copiers assets under management. Then we can see here, yeah, a lot of trades taking place at 1,232 in a month. Over a 90% win ratio. And then if we go ahead and look through markets traded, again, it's mainly Forex there. I think it's all Forex. So I'm not a big fan of the the Holy Grail anymore. Even though he's still number 4, it's just purely because he has over 9,000% return. But if we go ahead and click on number 3, here we have Solid Gold FX TG is the full name. Over 1,200 copiers, that's a good thing, of course. Not too bad of an unrealized profit and loss at just minus 140 compared to the Holy Grail. Quite a decent max drawdown though, 27%, and then a medium risk profile, 1.9 in copier assets there. Not really a great one. Incredible returns, of course, but just comparing that to Pentagon Forex, not a great one. Now, if we go to number 2, this one here has the craziest numbers. So Super Crypto, if we scroll down, literally they're trading Bitcoin US dollar 75% and then Ethereum US dollar. So they're really, as the name suggests, just trading crypto. Bit of a poor win to loss ratio of 55% to 45%. Copiers assets under management is only $8,000 now, and the copiers actually dropped to 217. There's potential here. People were copying and then a huge loss was made and then people stopped copying, but their actual overall profit with their own money is a return of $8.2 million in profit. So they're a multi-millionaire trader basically in crypto. And then the unrealized profit and loss is minus $155,000, which when you consider how much money they're actually trading and they have their $7.7 million in balance there, that's not a huge downswing at the moment for them because of, they're just trading a huge amount of money compared to most people. If we go back here and then click on number 1, which is a trader I've not spoken about on the channel before, so I'm excited to share this one. Record Breaker is at the number 1 spot. You can see there 2,905 copiers, and look at that return history. It's incredible, just basically going straight up. The realized profit and loss over $15,000, so they're obviously using a smaller balance of money and then withdrawing their profit as they're making their profit and just keeping the trading low just for people to copy. Very likely trading elsewhere with much more money with this kind of trading returns. Unrealized profit and loss, it's literally just minus $13.72, so not really a big deal. It's in the lower risk bracket, which is great to see, and the max drawdown is just 10.68%, so very, very low risk there overall compared to all the other traders. And then we can see copiers profit this year, $95,500, previous month $37,000, and then the copiers assets under management $3.3 million, with there being nearly 3,000 copiers there. Can see nearly 10,000 trades in the last 12 months, 242 trades per month, so not a huge amount of trades going on, but very successful trades. Win ratio is in the majority of green, and then some losses there at 75-25 split. Then we can see they're trading Oz dollar to New Zealand dollar, Oz dollar to Canadian dollar, and New Zealand to Canadian. So really they just have 3 markets there, 3 different Forex currency pairs that they're trading and specializing in to maximize their returns. Now, I don't know about yourself, but from what I can see there in those top 5 traders, Record Breaker at the number 1 spot really is at that number 1 spot for a reason. And not just because they've made the highest return, they're actually doing it with a low risk profile, not carrying losses, and they're focusing on just those 3 pairs. So everything looks really, really good. Obviously, copy trading is still high risk, but when you take in all the different factors there, I think I'm happy to go with Record Breaker as the trader I'll be copying. If you enjoyed this video and you had any value from it, please do tap the like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.